Okay guys, so today I'm going to show you how to save Telegram story, the picture or video or anything, how you save it to your personal gallery, your phone gallery. So let's get started. You need to open up your Telegram. Once you open up your Telegram, go and look for the story or the photo or anything you want to save, or when you open it, just click on it. Once you click on it, click on these three dots, you can see. Then you're going to see save to gallery. You can see here, then click on save and it's going to automatically download it to your gallery. So if you go there, let me go to my gallery and show you what I just created, what I just downloaded. Now AI gallery, then you're going to find it there. And you're going to say Telegram now. Let me wait for it. Let's say okay, you can see under my Telegram, and this is it. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.